This is me, Zeke, all-around good guy, video editor, the newest on-air host at the current, and, yeah, I'm still single. Here is single house husband of the Twin Cities.
Alright, if you saw Christmas Day, I made a delicious prime rib that I smoked. Here's the process on that. Yep, you see that. Now, what do you do with all those leftovers that you can't eat? Well, here's what you do. You take that, you chop it up, take some beef broth, spices and everything else like that. You put it in there. Also put some carrots in there, and then you put your meat in there, and you let it sit in your crock pot. You got beef broth stew, because it's soup season out here. Give it a little mixture. The meat, carrots, parsley, garlic, a bunch of other herbs and beef broth stuff. Take an onion and you chop it up. And you take those onions and you throw them in that pot. You let that joint sit.
And this is how it turned out. I also added some green beans that were left over from the Christmas meal. Stay tuned for the next episode where I get a beer in a blizzard.